In a quiet little village, surrounded by green fields and muddy roads, lived a boy named Robert. He was 16, curious, kind, and full of dreams. But one dream stayed close to his heart. He wanted to speak English fluently. But every time Robert tried to speak in English, his tongue froze. Words escaped him. Some laughed, others ignored. And Robert began to believe that English wasn't for boys like him. Then, one day, a new English teacher arrived. Mr. Brown. Calm voice, bright smile. He told the class, "Fluency doesn't come from fear. It comes from practice, mistakes, and courage." For the first time, Robert felt something new. Hope. He made a decision. I will speak, no matter how many times I fail. He started to watch and listen to English videos, reading page after page from different English storybooks. He wrote 1 or 2 pages a day. While writing, he was not worried about the mistakes he was making. He even started to talk to himself, standing in front of a mirror. Mr. Brown noticed Robert's fire. He gave him some simple structures, real-life phrases, and confidence. "Speak to express, not impress," he said. Slowly, Robert started speaking more in class. He was trying to speak in English with his family members even if they didn't understand. 6 months later, the school held an English day. Robert's name was called to give a speech. His legs shook, his heart raced, but he stepped up, said the first line, then the second, and the third, and when he finished, applause filled the room. Today, Robert speaks English with confidence. Not because he was gifted, but because he was determined. He now teaches younger kids, just like Mr. Brown once taught him. His message is simple. You don't need to be perfect to speak English. You just need to be brave enough to begin. Robert's journey is not just about English. It's about believing in yourself, trusting the process, and never giving up. So, if you're afraid to speak, remember Robert, the boy who once struggled to say a word, now helps others find their voice.